There are many mistakes that beginners are making when starting digital marketing. You need to fix these. And if you are thinking of starting digital marketing, make sure you don't make these mistakes. Well, the very first mistake is when people start digital marketing, they want to learn everything all at once. They're in too much of a hurry. You can't eat an apple in one bite. You need to take quite a few bites to finish your apple. The program has a step-by-step guide, and this guide you need to follow step by step. You can't rush through it and try and get to know everything all at once. The second mistake is stop chasing followers and likes. What does it help having lots of followers and plenty likes, but you have no sales? You need to start creating content that converts and also follow a strategy that works. The third and last mistake that digital marketers make is they want to quit before they even see any results. Digital marketing is a skill and a skill that needs consistency. If you keep comparing yourself to others and you're impatient and you just want to make a sale and you're in a rush, then you're going to end up quitting. So, if you are interested in starting your own digital marketing online business, why don't you comment below ready, and I will send you a free copy of the Freedom Formula Blueprint to show you exactly how it is done.